What's up, guys? Back again, Mike Shana with Michigan Muscle. I'm back again at my M1 Concourse garage after our cars and coffee. Today I want to talk about something a little bit more special. Is this freshly built Whipple Supercharged Ford GT, one of its kind. So this car is built by a huge GT guy, and he actually built the car all from parts he had lying around. It was a bunch of spare parts. He pieced this one together, so this is actually a wrap. It's not a paint job. The car's been completely wrapped in this satin black with the green overlay because underneath everything's a different color. It's kind of mismatched, but this way, I mean, it's a street car. It's a fun car. You can wrap it cheaply and easily and always change the colors. So this is kind of a cool way to finish up a GT, because you don't see many GTs that are done this way, that are this unique. I mean, look at the color. That just looks awesome with the black and the green. It really pops. But the biggest thing about this car that's unique is going to be the Whipple Supercharger on the back that replaced the factory Ford one. You can see right there. So the factory car makes about, I think it's 550 horsepower, and this car, I was told, is about 700 to 750, which is insane because these cars already had traction issues in the past. So with that added 200-ish horsepower, you know, this thing's going to be an absolute monster. And let's go ahead and get that first start up and listen to how she sounds. So this car is still so new. It still has the plastic wrap over the steering wheel. It's an OEM Ford GT steering wheel. Like I said, brand new. So, yeah, here it is inside of another one. This one actually doesn't have a speaker, I noticed. Similar to Smurf GT, that car had a speaker. Look at the size of that Whipple. That thing's huge. So, we're gonna take our key, fire her up. Just gotta wait for the fuel pump. Alright, this has also got 10,000 miles on it, which the odometer does. Here she's in neutral. Go ahead and fire it up. This car obviously sounds really good. The one thing I noticed about this car in comparison to the other one is this one you can really hear the supercharger on. There's our belt right there. Let's see if we can hear it. sounds great. Listen to that whine. I can't get over how clean these cars look, just the interior, the way it looks. Check this out. Boost gauge. Go ahead and kill it. So one thing I noticed about this car too in comparison to the other one is this one doesn't have a carbon fiber insert. So if we look, this one's got like a plastic insert to it, but if we go look at the other car, this car's all carbon fiber. So it's a little difference, but it's unique. So thanks for checking out this 750 horsepower Ford GT Whipple Supercharged. Comment below, like this video, and as always guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.